day, millions of glass bottles, cans, PET containers run through Krones line. Our unique portfolio allows us to be one-stop shop for the beverage and liquid food industries, starting from factory planning, processing equipment, filling and packaging lines, intralogistics, digitalization, and PET recycling. After sales and support is one of our major focus to achieve maximum customer satisfaction. Our presence in the region since 2000 allowed us to establish a wide sales and service network. Thanks to our strong local setup that was able to execute professionally projects during the COVID-19 pandemic and even overcome the challenges of the lockdown. Gulfood manufacturing is our main show in the region, and we are so happy to be back. We will use the opportunity to show you what is new in the house of Krones. See you soon in Gulfood manufacturing, and of course we will implement all the necessary health and safety measures.